guys, I'm Anna, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate RBC credit card. So first of all, you need to grab your RBC credit card and have it handy because you'll need the 16-digit card number, the name on the card, the expiration date, and the security code on the back. Once you've got all that, open up your mobile browser or use your computer and head over to this webpage. On this page, you'll see a field asking for your 16-digit credit card number. Just type it in and then click on the Start Activation button. Now, you're going to follow the on-screen prompts. It'll ask you for details like the expiration date and the security code, so fill those in as they come up. Once you've entered all the required information, just keep clicking Next or Continue as prompted, and you'll reach a confirmation screen letting you know your card has been activated. If you prefer to use the RBC Mobile app, just sign in, scroll down to the credit card section, and select the card you want to activate. Tap on the option that says Add or Activate Card, then choose Activate Physical Card. Enter the expiry date, then the CVV or security code from the back of your card, and hit Next. That's it, your card is now activated. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.